This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. All right, I got the PRULDE HG0080 heat gun. I love heat guns. Use them all over the house and all over the shop. I use them for taking paint off of guitars. I use them for taking poly off of guitars. I use them for heat shrinking wire, all kinds of stuff. Let's check this one out. First off, hard plastic. It's got a little trigger thing on here, like it's molded into the plastic, so it gives it a nice trigger-like feel. Ergonomic, comfortable. One of the cool things about this is it has a really long 6.5 foot cable on it, which I think is pretty awesome. And this is kind of neat too. The cable is able to move around at a 90-degree angle. It comes with a set of instructions, neatly packaged in this box, of course. And it has 4 nozzles with it. 4 nozzles that connect and extend the end of the heat gun. So you've got this large spout. You've got this one here, which can be used. You can even bend this down a little bit. You can use this for heat shrink tubes, because one of the cool features about this gun is it sits up on its end like this. Other nozzle right here, and this kind of an extension of the end itself, a small circular nozzle. So 4 nozzles with that. So it is a 2-speed device. We've got setting 1 and setting 2. You know, all kinds of stuff you can do with this. So let's see, turn this on speed 1 real quick. Heats up super fast. It is not loud at all, which is great. Speed 1 is going to get you 752 degrees Fahrenheit on speed 1. And when you go up to speed 2, feel the power start to kick in. Wow, it's super hot. That goes all the way up to 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit. Get that over there. Turn this up on high. Fan on. Oh, that's that. Wow. Shrunk them right together, just like it's supposed to. And my favorite application of a heat gun, I run the cable through the door and just set it right here in the handle, and I use it to thaw out my freezer. Get this thing going on high. Works great. This is how you thaw out a freezer. So if you're looking for a heat gun for chores around the house, arts and crafts, you know, you can set this thing up on its end, do stuff hands-free. For removing paint, for removing adhesive, for thawing pipes, for bending PVC, all kinds of stuff you can do with this. Frozen pipes, frozen locks. So if you're looking for a good, solid feeling, ergonomic feeling heat gun made out of solid plastic with a 6'6" cable on it. Plenty of room to work with it. Check out this one by PRULDE.